hard for one person to get on there. This chair is so cute. Look at this. Oh my goodness, she's gonna love this. This is beautiful. Look at it, it spins. Oh my goodness, this is so cute. I'm gonna go take this in and then she'll put hers in her corner and I'll get Maddie for hers. Maddie's like, ooh, that's so cute. It matches her green sweater. I'm gonna take out Maddie. Very cute. All right, let's get this to your corner. You like it? Mm-hmm. Oh, look at her. She just took the lights and just turned the lights on. I'm like, look at that. So she's got some style going on there. There we go. She's taking down Christmas stuff. So look at how pretty that is. Cute. That's a fun teenage place to hang out. That's where I'd want to hang out if I was a teen. And Maddie added her little pink throw to her yellow so she can have it matching her rug. So these are great. Nice and sturdy. Nice good material. And it spins easily. See that? Very smooth. Nice. Zips up the back, but you don't want to unzip it. So this nice, the pillow comes off. And then look at that. Perfect. You love it? Spin. Love it. So good. Those are fun chairs. Over there and over there.